Hey friends, welcome back to the channel with more RWBY. This is Volume 2, Chapter 3, Minor Hiccup. Last time, oh, that was so cute when Weiss was so confident that she had won that board game, and then trap card, and she's like, and she held RWBY, and at the same time, shut up, don't touch me. That was really great. Looking forward to this time. Let's check it out. I don't know the words to this song yet. Nearly choked on that. Let's go. This show is so great. It's so cute.
So Weiss, you know,
oh my God.
I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat. And, you know, well, I've got 2 tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to
Spruce Willis?
Here, it's awesome.
Spruce Willis.
And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart and I'm you know.
Shooting his shot. And she's leaving.
Timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Was anyone even paying attention?
Weiss, did you hear me?
No, yes.
No, yes. RWBY is that much shorter than everybody else? Oh, who patted his head? Was that Yang who did it? Seems like a Yang move.
I thought that class would never end.
Alright guys, today's the day. The investigation begins!
I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately serious. Right. Everyone
New
remember their
get-ups.
roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Great,
Cool.
We'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Nah.
Son, how did you get up there?
Easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that torture guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Oh.
How did you
They just
even
pop.
get up here?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up.
Alright, I'll go with Weiss. Son, you can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good?
Huh.
Actually, RWBY, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister.
But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Nah.
Nah. Oh, look, she has a crush.
Wow!
I think.
I forget how big the transmit tower looks up close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right?
Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me. My name is
Oh my
Weiss.
God.
I know facts. I'm rich.
RWBY.
Don't be a pest. Besides, the
Pest.
only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna
So
take
cool.
a picture.
Ah.
Oh. You
Penny.
got this? Penny? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused.
Whoa.
I've got to go.
What was that about?
That was panicky.
I don't know. but I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later.
It felt like Penny recognized her, but couldn't talk to her.
Where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What?
Unless this is a different Penny. Oh,
Is everything okay? Penny, please stop.
we're friends.
I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend. It isn't safe to talk here.
Huh. And Weiss gets no partner. Huh. Why was Ruby insistent on Neptune traveling with Neptune, though? No, Neptune traveling with Yang, though. Did I say Neptune with Neptune?
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity?
Sure.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
Her scroll. What's with that smile? That fake smile?
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Terminal 3.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in
No. Schnee Company.
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
Winter.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
Uh-huh.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right.
Right.
Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Hope that's
Are
secure.
you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Doesn't want to contact her father. Oh, look at her smile.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang.
Why?
Anybody, really. Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
The AK-130 has been the standard security norm of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree?
Ironwood.
But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
Ah! Stepping on the old versions.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds,
What?
in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Elysian Paladin.
Whoa, next level.
Now, we couldn't have him here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else. Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Oh, on the run. Interesting.
Down here. She went this way.
Huh. Whoa! Help her lose them. What do those things say? What do those boxes say?
This way!
Oh, oh, oh. Not in the middle of the street. Oh crap, oh crap. Move! Whoa. It's him again. What the heck?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Did you see that?
How'd you do that?
Penny, come back!
Come back! This guy's in the middle of a lot of situations. Is he gonna be turned out to be the big bad of the whole series or something?
Penny!
That'd be funny.
Please. What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No, you wouldn't understand.
Of
Let me
course
try.
she
You
would.
can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend?
Aww.
Promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl.
Oh wow. Oh. So I was right. Okay, interesting. I was saying that her voice acting seemed a little robotic, and I wasn't sure if it was bad voice acting or if she was meant to be robotic, but turns out she's not human. Huh. Interesting. This was a fun episode. Ooh, more fan art. Penny! Salutations. It's cute. Alright. That whole divvying up into teams was a lot of fun. Jean still trying to shoot his shot, failing miserably. Weiss is listening though, she's just ignoring him for the most part. Nobody seems to enjoy this teacher's stories. They got cool new outfits. Sorting into teams was fun. They were all originally going to go alone, but Sun going with Blake, and Weiss into Neptune. Didn't see that coming. How did he get up here if he's so afraid of the heights? Seriously, how did he get up here? He doesn't have a tail like Sun. I wanna... Nah. Nah. No, wait. This show is too cute. I enjoy it too much for its cuteness. Penny seemed a little weird, but it turns out she just couldn't talk. She's not supposed to. So when she says father, does she mean the person who created her or the person who's in charge of her? Weiss Schnee got some information from her company, some sensitive information, did not want to talk to her father. We've heard Winter as her sister. Interesting. Interesting that you have to go to a communication center to be able to talk to people, whereas they have scrolls that act as cell phones, and they don't have like FaceTime on it or something. Huh. Or maybe this is just for like secure transmissions, specifically to download information. I don't know. Anyway. Look at Ruby's smiling face. Nice to see Penny again. She just disappeared after last time. I was curious about what the heck was going on with her, but we learned a bit about Atlas, is that right? Their military force, they seem to be, yeah, just robotic. The last one seems like a mech where you actually have to like stand inside though, like someone has to be inside it, right? I guess maybe not, but it looks like there's room inside for somebody to fit. I don't know. Anyway, I didn't actually listen to what I didn't actually listen to what Ironwood was saying, but they have connection with Penny as well. Want to capture her or stop her from talking to, I don't know, Ruby, or I don't know, or interacting with people. She's not human though. Wait, what does that say? Does it say breakable something? Hold on. Breakable things. So why is it up there in such a precarious situation? Precarious position. And they're all broken. I love the face Ruby makes when she jumps, grabs her, is like, it's cute. Alright. Penny, super powerful. This guy shows up everywhere. Fun episode. Quite revealing. Rubbed away on her hands. And it did look like her back opened up last time and sent a whole bunch of missiles out, so I was wondering, like, is she a robot? Or a cyborg? Android? What, exactly? Feels like more android than cyborg at the moment, but maybe we'll find out more later. Anyway, if she's an android, she is close enough to sentient. She's either sentient or close enough to sentient. But I enjoyed their friendship. It's fun. Alright, thanks for watching. Looking forward to the next one. Leave a like. We are 1 week ahead over on Patreon, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, friends.